Hey guys, this is Habib. Today I'm going to show you how you can scrape any data from any website using Datablist. For those who don't know what Datablist is an easy to use yet powerful data cleaning, enrichment, and workflow automation platform that allows you to get any data from anywhere using plain English instead of code or mastering click-on-point tools that nobody understands anyway. Okay, let's just start. For today's video, I am going to show you how you can scrape this Amazon search. So we will scrape all these products, and then we will also scrape the technical details of the products, which are somewhere here. So it will be a two-step process. First, we scrape the search and get all the products. And second, we scrape the technical details of each product. We will start by copying the search URL from your browser bar and then go to Datablist, the app, create a collection. And when you create a collection, you will see this, and then click on See All Sources and select the AI Agent C Scraper and paste your URL in. Then you want to have a prompt, which is here. I will leave you this prompt in the video description. And you go back to your collection and paste it. If you want to create a prompt yourself for another website, it works always the same way. And each prompt should have at least 3 sections. First section, where you just describe your broad goal. Second section, where you tell it what to do specifically. And the third section will be just where you give it additional instructions, because sometimes the agent wants to be more useful than it should be, and it will get you either too much data or other data that you just don't want. So you want to be very specific about what you want, and you can also give it multi-step instructions. So first do this, then do this, okay, so that's it for the prompt. And when you have created your prompt or use this one, you want to enable pagination. This will enable the agent to go on multiple pages. And then you set here your maximum pages and you set your output. Output type. And when you have done this, you click here on advanced settings. These settings, you can just leave it open and enable this, because this will enable the agent to scroll the website. So if you have a website that displays listings as you scroll, like e-commerce stores, directories, Amazon, so they all display more products or listings while you scroll, you want to enable this. And then you click here on continue and click on One Import Now, and this will create a task, and it takes about 2 to 3 minutes to complete the task. So yeah, and I will be back once this is finished. Okay, so now that the AI agent finished the first task, we are going to use the second AI agent to complete the second task. So to explain you why I'm saying the second AI agent is because we have 2 AI agents in Datablist. The first one is the AI scraping agent, which can scrape a website very deeply, but it goes only on one website per collection, and it can extract the entire web page if you want to do it, if you wanted to do it. But the second AI agent is optimized to run on an entire collection. For example, it runs first on this record, then on the second, and on the third, until it completes the entire collection. and they don't have to be links. They could also be a company name where you tell it, okay, who is the CEO of this company, who is the product manager of this company, when did they raise the last time money, how much did they raise. So it can go on the web and find any information you want it to find. It can answer questions, it can extract information and do basically anything you want to do. For this example, I am going to tell it to visit this product page and extract the product data, the technical details of the product. So first click here on enrich, and now I'm going to click here on AI and select the AI agent. So I already prepared a prompt. So here again, the prompt contains of multiple sections. What I didn't explain in the last task, here these dividers, they are very important to ensure that the AI agent can work through this prompt more efficiently, because when you have complex tasks, it may get confused. If you have these dividers, it will be more consistent and just produce better outcomes. So that's what I learned from experience, because I used to just put the prompt in there and let it do. But once I added these dividers, it really makes a big difference. So anyway, going back. So here, as you can see in this section, in the last prompt, I had only one task, and in this I gave it two tasks, right? So visit the page, I'm going to give you the link for, and second, extract the information for each product, which I will tell you more about in a moment. So I'm just talking to it as it were an intern or someone working for me, right? And here is another section. Here's the information I want you to extract, how to handle data inconsistencies and mistakes to avoid. So this needs also two hashtags. And then when you use this AI agent, you need always to have a column that is linked to it. You can do this by just click slash and then select one of the columns you have in your collection. So I'm going to give it the product link because it should scrape the product pages and not the search pages. And then I am going to configure this output. So once you added all the outputs you need to add them to your collection by just clicking here these plus icons. And the AI agent will also provide you with a confidence score. This confidence score just tells you how confident that it is with the outcomes that it produces. This is not so important for data extraction tasks, but if you want it to do research and multi-step processes that involve nuanced data, this is pretty important. And now you just click here on instant run and run enrichment on all items. And now I'm just going to give it a few moments until it's finished. Okay, so now the AI agent finished the task and it looks pretty good. Let's just visit one of the URLs and check if these outputs are also accurate. So stainless steel, 17 kilo linear, and 550 euros is the original price. Okay, yeah, this is accurate. So I forgot to mention I set up the second task, but you can see it anyway. So I told it to extract the original price and not the displayed price. This is very important when you set up any research or scraping processes, is that you are very, very specific with what you want it to get. Because if you tell it to get the price, it might get you the discounted price and not the original price. And this is not only for scraping product pages, but any page. You need to be very, very specific about what you want it to extract. So yeah, it got us the original price and not the discounted or the displayed price. And let's see here the technical details. Okay, 70 kilograms, linear. Where is the... Okay, so here's no product material. Maybe it's up here. So okay, where's product? Oh yeah, here, material stainless steel. Item weight 17 kilograms. Okay, that's pretty good. So the technical details were also here and not only here. So yeah, looks accurate to me. Okay, so yeah, that's it, guys. And as you can see, it got us a lot of other data with 100%, 95% accuracy. Yeah, so that's how you set up a scraping task in Datablist. If you have any questions or general feedback, feel free to reach out to me or to Florian, or just write us at support@datablist.com and we will be happy to help you. And if you want, you can also schedule a demo with us through the link in the video description, and I will be also happy to show you something you want to see, maybe that I couldn't cover here in this demo. Okay, bye bye.